Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Bakwabo Midimale Omokeseba Kwesen. My name is Emma Kwesen. Right, so in today's video I will be teaching you some Nzema phrases, more like a little conversation, right? I actually do want to teach you like Nzema through stories, but let me first start with a regular conversation you can have with anybody you meet who is an Nzema, right? Okay, so first things, let me start with something very simple. When you meet someone, you can just say ahio. Ahio usually means good morning, but it can also mean hello, right? So ahio, right? Then the person also respond ahio, right? Then you go on to ask the person, how are you? Just like anybody who cares. How are you in Nzema is cordia. Cordia, right? You see, you're saying it's cordia. It's like saying cordially, but you don't add a li. Cordia, but you say cordia, right? You're saying it's cordia. Yes, you see, it's actually very simple. So cordia, which means how are you, right? And the person is going to respond with me honle pale, or the person might say boko. Better, right? Which means I'm fine, I'm well, or the person might say something like I'm not well, or but for the most part, you know, when you ask people how are you, they mostly say I'm well. So let's just go with the simple roots of them saying I'm well for now, right? So I'm well, then they'll ask you edano coin, what about you, right? Edano coin, right? Then you say me hun le pale ana me le pale, or better. Simple, just say better. You can just say boko. Very simple, right? Then when you are just done with all that, if you want to ask the person what is your name, you just ask kebeflewa. What is your name, right? Kebeflewa. And the way to answer kebeflewa is midimale na befleme na kesiba le midima. I mean, kesiba is my name. Kesiba le midima. Midimale kesiba. Kesiba is my name. My name is Kesiba. Befleme kesiba. You know, all those things go. But to make it simple for you, just say midimale kesiba or kesibale midima. Whatever your name is, you just insert it there. Ama le midima, midimale ama. You see, it's very simple. And when you're done and you want to leave, you just say amazing. Amazing means later. See you later. Talk to you later. Amazing. Bye bye. Amazing. Okay, so that's it for today. Medabase, which means thank you very much. Thank you. Medabase. You know, Tree will say medawase. Nzema will say medabe ase. Right? So in my next video, which I'm actually about to record, I will teach you some Nzema through stories. Okay? So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.